It's amazing they can't have it leap at it.
Well, there's Abby. Oh, birdie. Are you scared? Uh-oh. What? Oh God, oh God, there we go, there we go, there we go! Oh! It keeps going over there. Get it, Abby.
We all go, whoa!
I can control it better.
And Jessica, how does this
Oh, Christmas.
Oh, man.
Literally.
So this is Christmas.
Teepee has legs.
Might as well just leave this.
Yeah. Alright, here we go.
Try another one.
Ready?
I wish, must be an air current on that.
You don't know about that.
I don't think so.
That's right down.
Oh God, oh God. Oh God.